a while, but I'm back. I just decided to do a day in the life today. Not doing too much, just cooking right now. Kind of started late. It's what, 3 o'clock? I've just been doing a lot of cleaning today and putting groceries away, grocery shopping and stuff like that, just to kind of prepare for the weekend. And here, eat the rest of them. After this, you don't get no more chips. Okay, so I'm just cooking some spaghetti right now, boiling the pasta, and then I'm gonna make my meat sauce before my Lord gets home. And that's pretty much it. We're not doing really much of anything today. We may do like a little activity, usually on Thursdays. Today's Thursday. For homeschool, we do like craft day, so we don't really do too much of any type of book work or anything of that sort. We just do like crafts. We may make Play-Doh. We may do Miss Monica's craft that we didn't get to do on Tuesday or Wednesday. And then since my Lord is leaving this weekend, I gotta pack his clothes up and all that, so y'all could just follow me around while I do that today. I got my best friend on my back. Say shalom. Say shalom. And I'll just have to talk to you about how my little breastfeeding journey's been going. It's been going really, really good. Like, this is my first time strictly nursing one of my children. So before, like with my oldest two, I nursed, I pumped, I also did formula. So I never got to experience the whole clinginess. Never wanted me to put them down. So that's what I'm going through right now, and I'm not gonna lie, it's hard sometimes. I enjoy it, but it's really hard because like simple things with just like hopping in the shower before, you know, hopping in the shower without him crying, that is, y'all, it's so stressful. Like, I'm like flying trying to get out the shower. And yeah, so that is, it's been fun. It's been fun, and I enjoy it, but I do need like a small little break. But I'll be back in just a minute. Ow! Why are you rolling over my feet? Jenny is. Hey. Say hey. Say shalom. Say shalom. Ow, baby, y'all, he be running on my feet with his walker. The kids be running from him.
A few minutes later.
Y'all, look at this little boy. There he is. There he is. Oh my God. What did you say today? Say shalom. Mishael. Jeez, I'm not taking a picture. Finny. 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 Y'all. He's about to crawl, but he just hasn't gotten it yet. Oh, be careful. Be careful, Mishi. Mishi, move. You got it. Oh. Toy Squad. You said subscribe.
Yeah.
And what else?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Y'all heard. I just came out here real quick to show y'all some Hanukkah decorations. We're about to decorate in a few. This one of the sisters recommended, which came from Target. For like, well, I think it was around 22 something, but my Target had it for $15. And I just gotta take the dreidels off of there. And then I got some really cheap balloons, some really cheap lights. They're like $2 or $2.50, and some tape. So we're gonna work with what we got. And if I get more stuff, I'll probably go to the Dollar Tree. But for now, this is what we got. So this is what we have so far. It's kind of lopsided. Y'all want to show y'all balloons? Don't bust them. They're gonna be loud. Are y'all ready for Feast of Dedication? Careful. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I realize that the lights are off, and I probably need another set of lights. So I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. I have some more lights over here, but I was trying to do something with like the fireplace, but I don't know, y'all. If y'all can, give me some ideas. I need some ideas. Go. Okay. I'm about to call it a night. I am pooped. Say pooped. So I'm about to try to give him a bottle. I don't know if he's gonna take it, but we gotta try. Y'all, because I need a break. So we're gonna try to give him a bottle. I put a little bit of Earth's Best cereal in it. He's been eating cereal a little bit before I nurse him, so I'm hoping he takes it in the bottle. We'll see. But before the kids went to bed, we made some unleavened brownie muffins. We made some of those, and they were pretty good. Tomorrow is prep day, so I'm gonna try to get me some rest and help my Lord pack before he leaves for the weekend. So that's about it. I hope y'all have a good evening. I'm about to make me a nice hot cup of tea and relax. So happy prepping, and I hope y'all have a happy Sabbath. Shalom.